Hey people, so there is this one Tamil film, it's called Kannam Kannam Kolyadittal, which basically means stolen glances. And it stars Dulquer Salman and Ritu Varma. Ritu Varma, Telugu audiences will know her as the actress who was launched opposite Vijay Devarkonda in Pelli Chuplu. So this particular Tamil film that is on Netflix, for those of us who don't know Tamil, watching a movie like this will it's like you realize that the language is actually very it's very nice musical to the ears, yeah. So and you should watch this film for the kind of chemistry between Ritu Varma and Dulquer Salman. No, I'm very particular that this should be only a 1 minute long video, and that's why I'm like this thing. But really, people try and catch it on Netflix. It's called Kannam Kannam Kolyadittal, and it's worth a watch. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.